Now I'm walking and trying to talk something. It's the midst of beautiful nature. I think you can see the beautiful nature around and surrounding my area. Okay. Yes. Now, nice. Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel, Govind English Teacher. Here is an
Just a
interesting.
second, just a second, just a second. What happened? You can see me?
Yeah, I can see you.
Yeah. Yeah. Now start.
Okay.
Now start.
Can you see both of us?
Yeah, both of you. Yeah.
Yes. Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel, Govind English Teacher. Today, an inspiring, an interesting, an important personality is with us. He is an engineering student and he has been uploading some videos regarding English communication and dabbling with the psychology. And he's very passionate towards English language. And his name is Ajit Paul from West Bengal. And now he's going to share his learning experience. Sir, Ajit Paul, sir, how did you learn English language? Please share your English learning journey.
Yeah, definitely. Actually, it's a long time. I think in 2022, November 9th, I have started my English journey. And when I have started, I just, that time I had no money to join any coaching center. And also that time I had not that kind of friends who just talk in English language. No one can speak in English language. So I have only one thing, that is only smartphone. That's it. And how do I learn English language? I have no idea that time. Then one of my friends, he just suggested me that is just downloaded one to free application on Play Store in smartphone. Then I just downloaded 3 to 4 free application. Then I just talked to myself at the first time. First 1 to 2 weeks, I just talked to myself, and after that, I just talked to them another unknown person. Okay, who are belongs from India, who are belongs from Afghanistan, America, sometime another country. Okay, so when I talk with them, so that time what happened? They just directly disconnected my call. Okay, because what happened means sometime I couldn't understand their English, sometimes they couldn't understand my English, because my English was very weak that time, very poor. Okay, so when any advanced level speaker, they just talk to me directly, disconnect my call. So that time I felt very bad. Is To be honest, I feel very bad. Why? Because obviously, if opposite person, they just talk to in English language very well, but I can't. So it's one kind of just break the ego, and one kind of underconfident. Okay, so that time I just promised myself, I just talk myself, that is anyhow within 6 months, within 1 year, I would be a fluent English speaker. Anyhow, I have no idea. I just told myself. Then what I did, then I just practice everyday basis, I think 4 hours. Everyday basis 4 hours only practice with someone. Simultaneously also every day, I just read newspaper. Okay, every day 1 hour. I just read newspaper every day 1 hour. I just watch any video on YouTube, and every day 1 hour I just write some kind of topic. Because nowadays I am professionally mechanical engineer, but that time I was student. Okay, so that time I have lots of time to read something, to learning something. So I just use this time in a good way. Okay, so then one of my friends, he just suggested me one WhatsApp groups. Then when I join WhatsApp groups, then I find, yeah, really advanced level speaker, and really some kind of sometime I found spoken English teacher. Okay, professionally, who are professionally English teacher. Then gradually my English would be improve. Then 2022, 23, continuously 2 years, I did practice everyday basis, sometime 4 hours, sometime 3 hours, sometime 2 hours. And 2024 is going on nowadays. So right now also I did practice, but due to my hectic schedule, I couldn't practice everyday basis. But still I am practice. Okay, but means I just carry my passion. Okay, that's it. Also, I just love this English language when I talk in English language. So that time I feel very well. Okay, so this is all about my journey.
So, Ajit Paul, sir, wonderful journey, and you could have achieved fluency without paying just a single rupee. Just you could have learned by using the yes smartphone, by using that platforms. So achieved as fluency. That's good because many person those who want to learn English language generally they spend a lot of money. They will generally they try to join in spoken language institutions instead of they're going there even though they couldn't. get, I know that, but with a passion, with a determination, with a dedication, with a devotion, and you could have achieved this thing, because when there is a burning desire, anyone can learn by using the smartphone, and effectively, efficiently, and with a focus way, purposeful way, and in a good manner, so that you could have achieved. So by using this platform, just WhatsApp, by sending message, I am free here. So somebody will just respond your message, then they will interact with you. By interacting in this interaction, some are advanced learners, some are lower level, whatever it may be, and you try to talk something. And because they are the unknown persons, so you need not worry about the hesitation, fear, and what we call trembling and pummeling, and we can automatically just use that opportunity, and by expressing your ideas and feelings, opinion, one can learn it like any language, like anything. So this is the best method. So dear viewers, what I can say, that by interacting our speaker Ajit Paul, one can learn a language without just going to institutions, without paying any money. So this is the age of technology. Now we are having everything in our smartphone. By using smartphone in a smart way, and one can learn a language, not only English language, we can learn anything, but there should be a burning desire, with a passion, with a dedication, with a determination, with aspiration, little bit of inspiration, one can learn. So I too learn like that. Even though I'm a teacher of English language, I can teach English very well. Sometimes I may not be that much proficient speaker, but I could have achieved this skill because of I too used this platform by interacting many people online, and most probably I use online, and to enrich, to update myself, to enhance my communication skills. In this way, and anyone can learn. And thank you, Ajit Paul. Would you like to talk anything? Would you like to add anything? This contest,
Yeah, if I add something, so what happened, 99% people who just started to learn this language, so they just left within 3 months practicing. After 3 months, they just forget each and everything. Why? Because they have no goal. They have no idea why they want to learn this language. They only know it's important. That's it. But it is not a big reason. You just need a why. Why you want to learn this language? Do you want to crack an interview? Do you want to go any kind of abroad country? Okay. Do you want to talk with anyone inside your company, inside your workplace? Okay. So you just create a why. And if you have why, if you have proper reason to learn this language, after that you can learn this language. Otherwise, never. It's very important. But after 3 months, I think 99% people they just leave their practice.
yes. Many people, they want to learn English in a simple and shortcut methods. There are no shortcut methods. Only the simple method is consistency, regularity, sincerity, dedication, and with a burning desire. So when
Yeah.
all these as one quality to learn English communication skills, one can be an excellent and a great communicator. I hope that, and we hope that. Thank you, Arjit Paul, coming to my live session, and suggesting a good advice regarding how to learn English without paying money. Okay, with dedication. Thank you, sir. See you later. Bye. Good luck.